may susundo sa atin guys. Ang kapatid ko nasa baba. So I think let's just end the vlog. What? LOL! Let's just end the vlog here guys. What's up guys? What's up sa tanong mga sarang mga chuy? Welcome back to Sarang Ko Isao YouTube channel. Sarang Ko Isao making random vlogs today. And today guys, well guess what? We're going home to the Philippines. So, after a long vacation, Golden Week vacation here in Japan. We're gonna go home today. So our flight will be 6 hours, 5 hours from now. Tara, samahan niyo po guys until we get back to our hometown in Bohol. So tara, let's go! Let's go! Ulan pa. Ulan! LOL! Masiro? Oh, wow! Vacation's over, guys! So, papunta na kami sa airport. Sana walang air turbulence na naman to. For sure. Last time, air turbulence. So, baka today, air turbulence na naman. What? Here we go, Philippines again. Back to reality, back to work. Dumating na tayo guys, kaso yung SIM natin na iwan sa bahay. So, kailangan bumalik kasi hindi na open yung mga naka-connect yun lahat sa bank. So yan guys, para muna natin tong box na to sa wrapping box. So wrap natin. So yun guys, check-in time. Let's go. Yes. So check-in dito na tayo. Antay, pero later pa kami papasok na. 8:20 yung flight. So mamaya pa. Time check 5:40, so 3 hours from now. Wait lang muna. Daming travelers. So dito pa tayo ngayon sa Cook Airport. So hindi pa kami pumasok doon sa departure area tayo. So daan sa immigration. So dito muna tayo chill out sa taas. May 4th floor pa pala restaurant. Pwede tayong kumain doon pero busog pa naman. Tsaka may pagkain naman sa aeroplano. So yun, relax tayo dito waiting for the flight. So yun, nakapasok na tayo guys. Ang daming tao, daming travelers today So yep, baka tingin-tingin tayo dito, baka may mabili pa tayo pasalubong for our family. So ito na yung rides namin guys, Cebu Pacific bound to Manila. Next update, we'll be inside the airplane. Let's go.
To the first officer transit solution. Our total flight time is approximately 3 hours and 30 minutes. For everyone's information, there is an hour time difference between Fukuoka.
Dinner time.
Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila, Philippines. Local time now is 11 o'clock in the evening, and there is an hour time difference between Fukuoka, Japan and Manila, Philippines. Manila, Philippines being behind. Reported ground temperature is at 31 degrees Celsius.
Wala.
Thank you, po.
So, dumating na tayo sa Manila, guys. So, yung flight namin papuntang Bohol around 5. Mga 6 kami darating sa Bohol. Wala na namang tulugan. Let's go. Yun, nakuha na natin yung gamit, guys. So, antayin lang tayo sa flight for patungong Bohol. So, Panglao International Airport later. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Jollibee na muna.
1 hour later.
Tapos na natin kumain, no? So, punta na tayo dun sa gate for boarding 5 hours from now. Let's go! Antay-antay lang tayo. Baka matulog tayo, no? So guys, tulog na tayo konti lang naman para preparation sa next flight to Bohol. So see you in Bohol. So yun, guys, here's our ride to Bohol. So tara.
and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Thank you for waiting. Domestic flight J620 bound for Manila is now inviting guests to go by priority boarding service to board through 7 using the priority lane.
So, dumating na tayo guys. Nasa Bohol na tayo guys.
Next will be our flight J620 bound for Manila and family and class and children. And looking guests and those requiring special assistance, we will go through gate number 7 using the priority lane.
May susundo sa atin guys. Ang kapatid ko nasa baba. So, I think let's just end the Let's just end the vlog here guys. So that's it for me guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please around yourself.
Next will be our flight J620 bound for Manila. Our financial and guests.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and